नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या अगोदर आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.2 मधील 5 एक्झाम्पल पाहिले आहेत। आता आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.2 मधील 6वे एक्झाम्पल पाहणार आहोत। त्या अगोदर दिनेश के मॅथ अकॅडमी हे यूट्यूब चॅनल तुम्ही सबस्क्राइब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राइब करा, जेणेकरून नवनवीन व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला पाहता येतील। तर मग सुरू करूया। प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.2 एक्झाम्पल नंबर 6। Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. 5 ने भाग जाणाऱ्या 3 अंकी नैसर्गिक संख्या किती आहेत हे आपल्याला काढायचे आहेत। या ठिकाणी पहा, फर्स्ट नंबर इज 100, 3 digit number divisible by 5, सेकंड 105, थर्ड 110 dash up to last is 995. A is equal to 100, D is equal to 105, subtract 100, second term first subtract first term is equal to 5, last term is Tn is equal to 995. Apply this formula, A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to Tn. Find the value of n. A is 100, n minus 1 into D, value of D is 5, Tn is equal to 995, means n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 995 minus plus 100, change the side, minus, means n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 995, subtract 100 means 895. Multiply 5, change the side, divides, means n minus 1 is equal to 895 divided by 5. Means 5 divided by 8 means 1 take carry 3, 39 divided by 5 means 7, take carry 4, 49 divided by 5 means 9, means n minus 1 is equal to 179. 895 ला जर 5 ने भागितलं तर 5 1 5, 3 उरले 39 झाले, 5 7 35, 39 मधून 35 गेले 4 उरले, त्याच्या बाजूला 5 वाले 95 झाले, 5 9 95, 179 minus 1, change the side, plus, means n is equal to 179 plus 1 is equal to 180. N is equal to 180, means n is equal to 180 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. 180 3-digit natural number, 3-digit natural number are divisible by, natural numbers are divisible by 5. This is final answer. Practice set 3.2 example number 7. The 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Then find the 41st term of that AP. 11th term is 16 and 21th term is 29. 11वे पद 16 आणि 21वे पद 29 आहे। Then find the 41 term, 41वे पद फाइंड करायचं आपल्याला। सोल्यूशन, 11th term means T11 is equal to 16, 21st term means T21 is equal to 29. Find T41, 41वे पद फाइंड करायचं आपल्याला। formula is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to tn. Means value of a plus value of n is 11. 11 minus 1 into d is equal to t11. Means a is equal to a plus 11 subtract 1 means 10d is equal to t11 means 16. Example number 1. Second, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to tn. Value of n is 21. Means a plus 21 minus 1 into d is equal to t21. Means a plus 21 subtract 1 means 20, d is equal to t21 means 29. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. Then find value of a, value of d. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is a plus 10d is equal to 16. Equation 2 is a plus 20d is equal to 29. Minus minus minus. Subtraction. Plus a minus a get cancelled. Minus 10 subtract 10 means minus 10d is equal to minus 29 subtract 16 means minus 13. D is equal to 13 divided by minus 10. Minus 13 divided by 10 is equal to minus 1.3. Put this value in equation 1. Equation 1 is a plus 10d is equal to 16. Value of d is minus 1.d. Means a plus 10 into value of d is minus 1.3 is equal to 16. Means a is equal to is equal to 16. Minus 13 change the side plus. Minus minus plus means plus 13. Plus 13 means plus 13 plus means a is equal to 16 subtract 13 is equal to 3. Value of a is equal to 3. Value of a is 3 and d is minus plus 1.3. Put this value. Find the T41. Value of A is 3 and D is plus 1.3. Means Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Find the value of T41 means n is equal to 41. N is equal to 41 means T41 is equal to A means 3 plus n means 41 minus 1 into D means 1.3. T41 is equal to 3 plus 41 subtract 1 means 40 into 1.3. T41 is equal to 3 plus 40 into 1.3. 3 plus 13 into 4 means 52. 0.52.0 is get cancelled, means 41 is equal to 55. 52 plus 3 means 55. 41th term is equal to 55. Practice set 3.2, example number 8, 11, 8, 5, 2. In this AP, which term is number minus 151? Solution 11 comma 8 comma 5 comma 21 dash. Practice set 3.2, example number 8, 11, 8, 5, 2. In this AP, which term is a number minus 151? Solution is 11 comma 8 comma 5 comma 2 dash. A means first term 11, common difference D, 8 subtract 11 is equal to minus 3. Tn is equal to minus 151. Find n, means A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to Tn. Value of A is 11 plus n minus 1 into D is equal to minus 3. Tn is minus 151 plus 11, change the side, minus, means n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 151 minus 11 plus 11, change the side, minus 11. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to, addition is minus 1 plus 1 means 2, 5 plus 1 means 6, 1 minus 162. Multiply 3, change the side, divides, means n minus 1 is equal to minus 162 plus 3, means n minus 1 is equal to, minus 100, n minus 1 minus 162, multiply 3, change the side, divides, means 16 divided by 3 means 5. 16 subtract 15 means 1, 12. 12 divided by 3 means 4. Means n minus 1 is equal to 54. 162 ला जर 3 भागिले 3 5 15, 1 उरला 12 झाला, 3 चौक 12, 54. Means n is equal to 54. Minus 1, change the side, plus 1, means n is equal to 55. Means 55 term is number, 55 the term is number minus 151. Practice set 3.2, example number 9. In these natural numbers from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? 10 ते 250 दरम्यान 4 ने भाग जाणाऱ्या किती संख्या आहेत हे आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. सोल्युशन, फर्स्ट नंबर इज 12, second is 16, third is 20 dash up to 248, last is 248, divisible by 4. A is equal to 12, D is equal to 16 subtract 12 is equal to 4. Last term Tn is equal to 248. Last term a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to t. Find the value of n. n ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची. Find the value of n. Value of a is 12 plus n minus 1 into value of d is 4. Tn is equal to 248. 248 plus 12 change the side minus means n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 248. Subtract 12 means n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 248 subtract 12, 8 subtract 2 means 6, 3, 2. Multiply 4, change the side, divides means n minus 1 is equal to 236 divided by 4. 23 divided by 4 means 5. Take carry 3. 3 into 6 means 36 divided by 4 means 9. Means n minus 1 is equal to 59. N is equal to 59 minus 1 change the side plus means n is equal to 60. The 60 numbers, natural number from 10 to 250, 60 numbers are divisible by 4. 60 number, natural 60 number, 60 are divisible by 60 numbers are divisible by 4 means the natural number from the natural number from 10 to 250, 10 to 250, 60 number, 60 are divisible by 4. This is fun. Practice set 3.2. 10. Example number 10. In this AP, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Find the common difference. 17वे पद हे 10व्या पदापेक्षा 7 न मोठा आहे. तर कॉमन डिफरन्स आपल्याला काढायला सांगितलेला आहे. सोल्यूशन Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Apply this formula. Value of n is 17 means T17 is equal to a plus 17 minus 1 into d means T17 is equal to a plus 17 subtract 1 means 16d. Example number 1. N is equal to 10. Find T10. Apply this formula. T10 is equal to a plus n means 10 minus 1 into d means T10 is equal to a plus 10 subtract 1 means 9d. Equation number 2. By given equation 17 term is 7 more than its 10th term. 17वे पद हे 10व्या पदापेक्षा कितनं जास्त आहे? 7 न. बाय गिवन कंडिशन. बाय गिवन कंडिशन 17वे पद हे 10व्या पदापेक्षा 7 न जास्त आहे. 17 term is 7 more than its 10th term. Value of T17 is a plus 16d. A plus 16d is equal to 10th term is a plus 9d plus 7. means a plus 16d is equal to a plus 9d plus 17. A get cancelled, plus 9d change the side minus, means 16d minus 9d is equal to 7. Subtraction is 7d is equal to 7. Multiply d, change the side, divide, means d is equal to 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. 7 get cancelled. Value of d is 1. Means common difference is equal to 1. This is fun.